One night, I couldn't take it. I started writing the final letters to everyone. I apologized to every person that got written to about the treatment, but it was the way it had to be. Then, my mom's letter. I cried so damn hard. When I started writing about take good care of the cat, I bawled uncontrollably. I exhausted myself and passed out at my desk. I woke up to cat taps and chirps. BC, it was time for his treats and food. He still lives with me and I love him more than anything. I'm a grown-ass man that will drop anything to pet a cat. To me, they're little angels. Nobody knows of this except my wife, mother, and therapist, and it's my darkest memory. Secret. Okay, so, back when I was like 18, someone posted an unalive note on my Facebook page.